Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate this beautiful pattern. It's called Misstake Rib, and this one is also very easy. We using knit and purl stitches. We need four multiples and extra 3 stitches, and I cast on 11 stitches because our pattern need 4 multiples and 3 stitches plus 3 stitches, and I start on 2 multiples of 4, 8, and plus 3 stitch and 11 stitches. We have only one row to follow. We follow row 1. It's 2 knit, 2 purl, and 1 purl, 2 purl. This is our repeat pattern. 2 knit, 2 purl, 1 purl, 2 purl, and our last 3 stitches we need to knit. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and that's it. And we repeat this pattern, knit 2, purl 2, and I will come again with more few rows. After few rows, pattern is look like this. This is the wrong side, this is the right side. Pattern is look like this. You can carry on, you can make a beautiful